the second time playing eBay.
Si Mikoy ta nag-training niya
So,
dito.
I already died. So I can
Ah, kanata to ng training.
I'm playing on my other account right now. What the hell?
How do I even close this?
And we also got a cousin here. Say hello.
What?
I'm recording.
May gusto nyo balik pati mo na mga muhan pati mo.
I saw just run. I don't care.
Yeah, man.
Oh, mama!
Good! Ay
Well,
kato
you
kay nam
almost
ka mo
got
da. Inom lang na bukri pa daw.
So I almost made it. I almost made it.
Oh, sana
Oh my
magkala dito
God.
kay Luna kasi no.
So we're just gonna AFK here, guys. Just do nothing. But how much Robux do I have?
In the future,
In the future? Ma... No. Daisy. Why the? I want to disable. I want to enable my Robux. But I wasted a lot of Robux though.
how much?
Gab wasted.
Alexa.
Gab stole all my Robux.
How? How?
And I also got some
I
avatar.
said how?
Bala,
And I
bye-bye.
also got some avatar items from using my Robux.
Amo kanina bata,
Without
imo ko natlinga to.
Gab knowing. But he found out no.
Tapos ay wala mo kuno na ginachat.
Help me. Okay. Yes, I'll join you in my main account. Yes, I'll join you in my main account, okay? I'll join you in my main account. Oh, why the hell did I rejoin
You
you?
know how to equip jump pad in a evade?
Nga nung panano.
Only in
I tried-
rivals.
I can try doing it, but it doesn't work. I don't even see the jump
You
pad.
cannot see my password, guys. Because I don't need a password.
Then so I can log on.
I don't need a password. Anyway.
Why?
Use the passkey, though. Dumb.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me just pause this. And guys, we're back. And look at my new avatar. But I only got 4 Robux left. But I'll still give it to you.
Like what?
All my Robux.
Thank you. I'll just have to make.
4 Robux is all my Robux.
I'm gonna spend it on outfits.
No. No, why? No. How much Robux do you have though?
1.
Why the hell?
Because I spend it on like this t-shirt.
What t-shirt?
Yeah, beige t-shirt.
What is the evade t-shirt? Evade. Oh, okay. Is it totally free?
Now it's costs like 3 Robux.
I still have 4 Robux
Bulutan,
though.
ikaw na, biso wifi ra, biso. Lagi, balik na naman.
Okay, let's go to offline donation.
Galagid, manang ko gid galag. Hindi
After
pati peliti. Ang nyanyi, wala ka pundo.
let's like
Loading.
surprise. Okay.
Very good.
Wait. Let me enable my Robux first. Mok, 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 mok.
Laway mo.
Kalunis ka no, boss. Mabalik sa tililot.
No, I don't.
How did...
Di, tabuon ba? Tabuon ba ito pandemic?
What are the piece of
Ipastap na
Wi-Fi?
yung mga senior, bisandaran.
Tina and Wi-Fi.
But how is it not? I did not got any lag. But it was lagging inside.
I thought. Yes, you can look at the because it was lagging.
Okay, back in
Kaya
the
na
piece
ang
Wi-Fi.
internet mo.
So wanna play Rivals?
That's all.
Talaga para sigurado.
Si boss ko mabayad. Yaran.
Si boss pumayod. Diyan lang na.
Exchange.
Bisa alam mga panglipit si boss, ah.
And guys,
Basi ba, hindi ta na ako boss ay budlayan ta na basi mamukan ta na daw. Mapaklunan na.
what? What the hell? Isa, can you record?
Ba natay na to.
Can you do screen recording?
Why?
Because you're a YouTuber like me, right?
Yeah, but in my old account, I don't have one in my main one, but I can post it in TikTok.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Okay.
Wait, I'm joining you. Wait, just like,
Why are you joining me?
I'm gonna like post it and like say thank you. So they can like add you, like follow you or something. I don't know, but I just.
But I fling some people in 99 nights though, so I can troll them.
Okay, where are you?
I am not
Oh,
over
this guy
20
looks
years
like you.
old. Bro, that is not the same face and the same hair.
Okay, I don't see you.
What the hell?
Don't send Roblox yet. Don't send Roblox yet.
What the hell?
Is that it?
Yes.
Ito 20 skins point. 100 lang yapon daw na.
Why would you buy that thing?
Do you mean the vertified thing?
Huh?
Do you mean the vertified?
No, why is there like a check mark on you that they know it's not real?
I know. It's just a prop.
Ano pa business?
Ayo, and
Need spin.
is that gamey? I don't know.
It's not me.
Bro is begging. He or she is begging for Robux.
Okay,
Anyway, so that
Kimmy has a bacon avatar with red hair.
what? I want to be a bacon. I'll just be a bacon.
Salamat.
I'll just be like. Let me just be a bacon. Let me just wear my first avatar.
I can like give her one Robux.
Bro, do not give some. Bro.
I only have like one Robux, so it's not a big deal.
I'll just save this this avatar. If you don't
Let
mind.
me see all your
These were my past avatars still.
let me see all your like all your accessories and clothes.
Okay, ma'am. These are all my heads. These are all my faces. These are all my whatever this is.
Next,
This is all my back.
you don't have anything there.
And this one. And this one.
You only have the. You only have the.
And this nothing.
Well done.
Yeah.
I bought this on the account that I wasted my mom's money.
Why would you waste your mom's money? She's
In-
gonna be mad.
Putang ina wala nang
Bro, it was it was in my oldest account ever. Like I love. Wait, what the hell?
You gave me a card that was a Valentine's one.
What Valentine's card?
Valentine's, not Valentine.
Car. So adopt me out. You gave it to me, but I gave it to my friend.
Oh my god. I think,
It was like 200.
bro, now what?
I don't care. He's happy. Or the guy might be like doing it and get scammed.
Yeah.
I sold my house.
Why do you?
I mean,
How about my
I
balls?
traded my house.
What? You mean my house?
No, it was a bakery one.
Lima.
Can you follow me?
Why am I bald?
Can you join me and adopt me? I have to show you my house, but it's not finished yet. Okay?
Why the hell is it not
Finished
finished?
naman.
I haven't playing it. I hadn't even played it for a while. So yeah.
Gago. Ra
You
kita
can
na.
help me make
Size
it.
lamang. Agoy, size lang tanan ng igo.
Oh no.
Just help me make.
I'm bald.
Bro is bald forever.
Bro, let me just restart my Roblox.
Wow.
Okay, I'll just make a